Eskimo Ice Fishing's Outbreak 850XD is one of our largest shelters. It fishes 7 to 9 anglers comfortably and features the no-trip full panel door that's exclusive on the Outbreak series of shacks. This makes getting in and out of the shelter much easier. It has 114 square feet of fishable area and stands 80 inches tall. This is the ultimate large shack for doing big groups of people, or if you're looking to get out and do some winter camping. It weighs in at 68 pounds and features the STORMSHIELD 3-layer abrasion-resistant bonded fabric with 80 grams of high-loft insulation, providing maximum warmth and a robust barrier against wind and light penetration, making this an excellent choice for guys that want to spearfish or do some sight fishing. The best part is, after the end of the day and you're ready to pack it up, this comes with an oversized zipper duffel bag, making packing it up very easy. Check out the Outbreak 850XD from Eskimo.